Good morning, children. In last class, we discussed worksheet 1 to 6 problems, children. Today, let us going to solve remaining problems from this worksheet. But what is the topic, children? Linear equations with one variable. What is meant by linear equation? The degree of the equation is 1, then the equation is called linear equation. Understood? Now, see 7th problem. If 5 by x plus 2 minus 3 by x minus 2 is equal to 2 by x, the given one equation. In that, what is the variable? Variable is nothing but unknown value. In this problem, what is a variable? X is a variable. By using this equation, we can find out x value. See down solution. 5 by x plus 2 minus 3 by x minus 2 is equal to 2 by x. What are the denominators here? X plus 2, x minus 2. So what is the LCM we can get here? X plus 2 into x minus 2. So first fraction is denominator is x plus 2. So this numerator is multiplied by 5 into x minus 2 minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 2 by x. RHS we can write as it is. So this 5 is multiplied by x minus 2 here, children. Numerator, observe here, 5 into x, that is nothing but 5x minus 5 2s are 10. I can write here minus 10. Again minus is there. Before the second expression minus is there. Minus 3 into x, that is nothing but minus 3x. Again plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6. Minus 6. Denominator x plus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 2 by x. This 5x minus 3x, these two are the like terms. 5x minus 3x is nothing but 2x minus minus 10 minus 6, that is nothing but minus 16. See here, denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b, that value is nothing but a square minus b square. This is a formula, children. So that's why I can write here, but in a place x is there and in b place 2 is there. So x square, a square is nothing but x square minus b square is nothing but 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 4. So I can write here x square minus 4 is equal to 2 by x. Now we can do cross multiplication here. 2x minus 16 is multiplied by x. Again 2 is multiplied by x square minus 4. So that's why I can write this term in bracket. Now 2x is multiplied by x. 2x into x is nothing but 2x square minus 16 into x. 16 is multiplied by x. So we can get here 16x is equal to RHS. Again 2 is multiplied by first term x square. 2x square minus 2 4s are 8. Minus 8 I can write here. Next 2x square, same I can write here as it is. This RHS x square term is there. While transposing, this plus term converts to minus term. So 2x square minus 2x square minus 16x I can write here is equal to minus 8. Plus 2x square minus 2x square both are cancelled. Minus 16x equal to minus 8. Minus minus cancel here, children. Now x equal to 8 by 16. 8 by 16 is nothing but 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16 is equal to 1 by 2. What is the x value here we can get? Finally x equal to 1 by 2. Understood? In this, we can use only one formula. What is it? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Understood? Now see, next one. This is a passage type or paragraph questions. See here, children, what they given. If ax plus b is equal to cx plus d. This is a one equation. Ax plus b is equal to cx plus d. Then they given also x value. What is the x value? Here x equal to d minus b by a minus c. By using this passage, we can solve the remaining problems here. See here, 8th one, 7.5x plus 4 is equal to 6.5 into x plus 2. This is in the form of ax plus b. See here, this is in the form of ax plus b equal to cx plus d. Comparing these two, what is the a value? Here in a place 7.5 is there, in b place 4, c place 6.5, in d place 2 is there. Understood? What are the ABCD values here we can get? By using this formula, we can find out x value. What is the x value here? X equal to what they given in passage, d minus b by a minus c. What is the d value? 2 minus b means minus 4, a means 7.5 minus c is 6.5. So now see numerator, 2 minus 4 is nothing but minus 2. Again denominator 7.5 minus 6.5. What is the difference? By subtracting we can get only 1. So 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Before minus is there. So what is the answer here? We can get minus 2. X value is minus 2. Understood? How we can solve this problem, children? By using this passage, we can find out the x value. What is the x formula here? D minus b by a minus c. Now see ninth one. Again this problem also in the form of ax plus b, cx plus d. In a place 0.8 is there. In b place 7. C equal to 0.5, in D equal to 10.5. What is the x value? X equal to D minus B by A minus C. D value is 10.5 minus 7 by 0.8 minus 0.5. Understood? 10.5 minus 7. What is the value here? We can get 3.5. 10.5 minus 7 is nothing but 3.5. By denominator 0.8 minus 0.5. That value is nothing but 0.3, children. 8 minus 5 is nothing but 3. 0 minus 0 is 0. So what is the denominator here? We can get 0.3. In numerator also decimal after only one number is there. In denominator also decimal after only one number is there. So we can cancel the decimal. Understood? So what is the value? 35 by 3. Understood? This is the x value. But in options they given only 3.5 by 0.3. Up to here only they given. Understood? But this also correct answer. Now see next problem. 0.5 into x plus 3.5 is equal to 3.5 into x plus 0.5. Then find the x value. By comparing with ax plus b is equal to cx plus d, then what is the a value? 0.5. B value is 3.5, C 3.5, again D is 0.5. What is x value? D minus B by A minus C. By substituting these A, B, C, D values here, what is the numerator? 0.5 minus 3.5. 3.5 is bigger number or 0.5 is bigger number? 3.5 is a bigger number. But what is the sign of 3.5, children? Minus. So that's why in numerator we can get minus 3.5 minus 0.5. 0.5 minus 3.5, children. We cannot subtract from smaller number to bigger number. 5 minus 5, 0. In 0, we can subtract 3. No. But in solution, we can get negative. So, what is the answer here? We can get 3.0. Minus 3.0. Again, in denominator also same. 0.5 minus 3.5. In denominator also we can get minus 3.0. Minus 3.0 is nothing but minus 3. So, both are cancelled. We can get 1 is the answer. Otherwise, here also we can cancel these terms, children. Both are equal. So, what is the x value here we can get? X value is 1. Now, see, next one is matrix matching. In that, they given two columns. Column 1 and column 2. These also linear equations with one variable. By using this equation, we can find that variable value. In that, see here, in 11th problem, first one, that is A, children, see here, y by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to y by 12 plus 12. Find y value. What is the variable here? Y. So, see here, what are the denominators here? 4 and 6. What is the LCM here? We can get 4 and 6, that is nothing but 12. First fraction denominator is 4, children. In 4 table, when we can get 12? 4 3s are. Again 3 is multiplied by y. 3y plus second fraction denominator is 6. 6 is multiplied by, in 6 table, when we can get 12? 6 2s are. 2 is multiplied by numerator y. So 2y we can get here. RHS we can write as it is. 3y plus 2y, that is nothing but 5 by 12 minus this y term transpose from RHS to LHS. So that's why I can write here minus y by 12 is equal to constant 12. I can write as it is. Here denominator also equal. Both are equal. So we can subtract the numerator. 5y minus 5, that is nothing but 4y by 12 is equal to 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. Y equal to 12 is there. 12 is multiplied by 3. Y equal to 12 threes are 36. Y equal to 36. This is nothing but option S. Understood, children? What is the option here? Correct option? S. That is nothing but 36. Now see B. Option B is, what is it? 0.6z plus 8 by 0.8z minus 6 is equal to 7. In this, what is a variable here? Z is a variable. By using this equation, we can find out Z value. In RHS, 7 is there. Denominator is not there. So, I can write here denominator is 1 for doing cross multiplication, children. So, this numerator is multiplied by 1. So, we can write as it is equal to, next RHS, 7 is multiplied by this denominator 0.8z minus 6. Understood? So, 7 is multiplied by 0.8. That is nothing but 0.8 into 7 means 7 8s are 56, children. Means 5 we can write here. 7 zeros are 0. 5 I can write here. After decimal, how many numbers are there? Only 1. So, that's why I can write here decimal. That's 5.6 I can write here. 5.6z minus 7 6 are 42. Now I can write Z terms in RHS. 5.6z minus 0.6z is equal to this minus 42 transpose from RHS to LHS. That converts to plus 42. So 5.6z minus 0.6. 5.6 0.6. By subtracting we can get 660. 5 minus 0, 5. So that is 5. 5.0 is nothing but 5. I can write here 5 is equal to 42 plus 8 is nothing but 50. Z equal to 50 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So what is the Z value here we can get? 50. But this is nothing but option P. Understood? What is the correct option here? We can get option P. Now see C problem. What is the numerator they given? 7.4a plus 8 by 7.5a plus 18 is equal to 4. Here, what is a variable? A is a variable. That is the unknown value. By using this equation, we can find out a value. So, for 4, denominator is not there. So, that's why I can write here 1. By doing cross multiplication, LHS in numerator 7.4a plus 8 into 1 means 7.4a plus 8 is equal to 4 into, what is the denominator? 7.5 into a plus 18. So 7.5 is multiplied by 4 is nothing but 7.5 into 4 means 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. But after decimal, how many numbers are there? Only one number. So that's why I can write here decimal. So what is the value here? We can get 30.0. 30.0 is nothing but 30. So 30a plus 18 4s are 72. This 30a minus 7.4a is equal to 8 minus 72. 30 minus 7.4, we can get here 22.6, children. That is a positive number is equal to 8 minus 72 is nothing but 64. But minus 64. Why? Because here 72 is a bigger number that have the negative sign. So a is equal to minus 64 by 22.6, children. So in denominator decimal is there. So numerator decimal is not there. So that's why I can write here this. I will cancel this decimal. In denominator, decimal after how many numbers are there? Only one number. So in numerator, that's why I can cut this decimal. In numerator, I can write 0. Understood? So what is the number here? We can get fraction minus 640 by 226. This will cancel in two table. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Numerator also 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 0. What is the answer here? We can get A equal to minus 320 by 130. That is nothing but option Q. Understood, children, this one? Why? Because I can write here in numerator decimal. See here, once minus 64 by 22.6. In denominator decimal is there. I can cancel this decimal. Here decimal after how many numbers are there? Only one number. So that's why I can write in numerator 1 0. Understood? So what is the fraction we can get here? 640 by 226. Understood? Now see next one. 6 by 8. This is not 6 children. This is b. B is a variable. So in problem they given find out b value. B by 8 plus 7 by 1 is equal to b by 6. In denominator 6. B by 6 minus 4 by 1. Now I can transpose b terms to LHS. B by 8 I can write here as it is, here b by 6. So minus b by 6 is equal to minus 4 by 1. I can write here as it is. This plus 7 by 1 transposing from LHS to RHS converts to minus 7 by 1. Now these are b terms. What are the denominators? 8 and 6. So what is the LCM of denominators? We can get here 24. I can write here 24. First fraction denominator is 8 children. When we get 24 in 8 table, 8 3s are. Again the 3 is multiplied by b. So I can write here 3b minus, when we can get 24 in 6 table, 4 times, 6 4s are. 4 is multiplied by b, 4b is equal to minus 7 minus 4 is equal to minus 11. 3b minus 4b, that value is nothing but minus b by 24 is equal to minus 11. Both minus minus cancelled. B equal to 24 into 11. By multiplying these two numbers we can get here 264. So what is the correct option here? We can get option T. Understood? Now this matrix matching is completed, children. Now see next level 2 problems. Level 2 problems. Now let us start. In that, what is the first problem? Solve for x. That is nothing but find out x value, like that previous problems only. What they given here equation? 3 by 5 into x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3x is equal to x. By using this equation we can find out x value. See here in LHS, what are the denominators? 5 and 2. What is the LCM of 5 and 2? Both are prime numbers. So we can multiply. 5 2s are 10. That's why I can write here 10. In first fraction denominator is 5. In 5 table when we can get 10? 5 2s are. Again 2 is multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. I can write here 6 as it is. This is x plus 1. Next 2 5s are. 5 is multiplied by 1. Minus 5 into 1 minus 3x is equal to RHS x by 1. 6 is multiplied by x plus 1. 6 into x is equal to 6x plus 6 into 1 6 minus 5 into 1 is nothing but 5. Again minus into minus plus. So that's why I can write here plus 5 3s are 15x by 10 is equal to x by 1. Now we can write like terms at a time. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21x plus 6 minus 5, that is nothing but 1 by 10 is equal to x by 1. By doing cross multiplication, 21x plus 1 is equal to 10 into x, that is nothing but 10x, children. Now 21x minus 10x is equal to minus 1. 21x minus 10x is nothing but 11x is equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 by 11. What is the answer we can get here? X equal to minus 1 by 11. This is a solution of this given equation. Understood? This is a solution of the given equation. That is nothing but finding the x value by using the equation. Understood, children? Now everyone complete your classwork. From your class all are watching videos but did not complete your homeworks. So each and every student complete your classwork and post in your group. I will check each and every book. Okay, children? Thank you.